What is polygon? In Geographic Information Systems, GIS, a polygon is a two-dimensional shape defined by a closed set of connected straight-line segments. Polygons are commonly used to represent geographic features such as parcels of land, administrative boundaries, lakes, buildings, and other spatial entities with area and boundary. In GIS, polygons are used for spatial analysis, mapping, and visualization of geographical data. For example, if we want to represent land parcels, a polygon can be created around the land to digitize the feature and create a map. Now, you might be wondering where you can easily perform these analyses. That's where MAPOG map analysis comes in. Now, let's see how we can make one using MAPOG map analysis. From the Create Data toolbar, select Create Polygon. Name the layer and click Save. Navigate to your area of interest. Start drawing the polygon. Double-click to finish the drawing. Just like that, we've created a visual representation of land parcels using a polygon. That's it for our polygon tutorial. With this knowledge, you can make all sorts of neat maps in your projects. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.